So what do we got going on here, Jimena? Jimena, what are you doing? Can you tell Daddy? Are you with your brother? Daddy gonna get you? Daddy gonna get Chichita?
Oh, you made her jab. The picture was moving and she did a black dip. Ready, again? Come on. Stay tall. Stay tall, baby. Yeah.
Danny, you want to turn around so I can see something other than your ass?
I can't do it.
Tickle him, Jimena. Tickle him like Daddy showed you. Blow on her belly. Danny, you look like a plumber there. You're showing some ass crack there, Danny.